That is absolutely sensational. That is so strong and Everyone's asking, aren't they, if you can see his little bum holy. Oh, I almost lost him. Hey guys, so for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Hello Kitty x Lush collab. This is the second one that they've done. They did one last year and they're doing one again, and we've got new products to have a look at. So Lush very kindly sent me these items over and I could not be more grateful. I've been dying to smell these, so I'm ever so happy and ever so grateful. So thank you Lush. Let's open it up. Oh, I do this every time. I've got nowhere to put the packing peanuts. Oh, maybe I have a bag there. Let's have a look. Got a nappy bag. Let's use this, shall we? So I really loved the last Hello Kitty collab. I'm pretty sure I liked everything. I think there was one thing that was perhaps, I think it was Milky Bath scented. Perhaps mixed with something else that I wasn't so keen on because I don't really like Milky Bath scent. But all of the scents in this new collab, I'm pretty sure I loved them all. So it's going to be good. I'll tell you what the scents are as we go through. I have found them amongst the internet, so we know what we've got in here, which is great. This is the lovely little box it came in. Oh, it's so cute. Lush X. Oh, does it say Hello Kitty inside? I was like, they forgot to write the Hello Kitty. I keep calling it just Hello Kitty. It's Hello Kitty and Friends, isn't it? Silly Charlie. So let's have a look what we've got in here. This box is adorable. One of my favourite PR boxes I ever got was the Hello Kitty one from last year. That was such a beautiful box, and this is amongst it as well. This is very, very cute. I keep all of my PR boxes. It's memories, you know. So if they're not on my shelf, I just flat pack them down and put them under my bed. If I had a spare room, don't get me wrong, I'd have a whole Lush room, but I don't. Oh, this is so cute. I've just opened it. Oh God, it smells sensational. Oh yes. So we've got pom pom poo in there, and then you open the little doors and the goods are inside, but some stuff has just fell out. So let's have a little look at that first, shall we? So we've got, this is so cute. So we've got Hello Kitty and Friends on the front, little sprinkles, and then you've got all your info about what's inside the box. It's too cute. And then you've got stickers. Oh, I love this. Don't get me wrong, sometimes I give Rudy the stickers because he loves them, but I'm sorry, my boy, these are for me. I'm going to be keeping these. They're too cute. I'm hoping this cheers me up. I have had a bit of a flare up over the last couple of days, so I've not been feeling fantastic. My partner came home from work today, bless him, like halfway through the day, and he watched Rudy when I had a nap, I had a bath, and then I just had laid down until Rudy's just gone to bed. So I've recouped a little bit, but I should be in bed really, but this parcel came today and I was like, I've got to smell it all, I've got to. I'm just too excited. So we're in. There's a few little bits popping out here. Let's just go for it, shall we? So first up, this one is the one that I was actually most excited for out of the whole range. So this is the Pochaco dusting powder. This packaging is just everything. I'll try and light it up for you guys so you can see it a bit better. Really, really sweet. So we've got little brown packaging. The label is absolutely everything, and I love this so much. It's such cute packaging, so cute. So we'll open her up. All sealed, which is great. Oh, I have just peeled some of the top off, oh dear. There we go, let's give it a sniff. So this is meant to be a banana scented product. I don't think there's any particular banana scent that it's labelled as. It's just labelled as banana, but I will try and see what I can compare it to the most from Lush. Oh. Honestly, that smells like completely quite different from anything I can think of that they've done. Oh God, that's lovely. Oh, that's so nice. Let me think. I would say it is a new banana scent, most definitely. I feel like if you do like the banana shampoo and the banana conditioner, this will very much be up your street. It smells a little bit along that line, but there is a little something else going on in there. I don't know if there's like a little tiny bit of like lemony zinginess or something. Yeah. That is a really, really, really good banana scent. Doesn't smell, it smells like a good mix in between like Minions shower gel and the banana shampoo and conditioner, but again with like a little tiny bit of like citrusy something going on in there as well. Absolutely delicious, that is. I'm so happy because that was the one I was most excited for, so I'm glad it's really good. Oh, I love that. What have we got next? Oh, so cute. So this one is Usahana, and this is a bath bomb, and this is Celebrate scented, I believe. Oh, I just huffed bath bomb up my nostrils. Yeah. God, that smells really good. Is it Celebrate? Yeah, I think it is, but it smells like a little bit different in this, and I don't know why, because we have had a Celebrate bath bomb, so it should smell the same, but I feel like this smells a little bit, dare I say, better. It says, bathe in all the colours of the rainbow as this bright bunny pirouettes through your tub, accompanied by an orange sherbet concerto. Yeah, it's really good. It is orange sherbety, and it has like a tiny bit of like a fizziness to it as well. It's really, really good. Really nice in this, like really nice. Have they changed it slightly, or have they put something else in it? Because I feel like that smells different from the actual Celebrate 30 bath bomb that we had not long ago. I prefer that. It smells really good. Divine. Very, very cute. Loads of colours in there as well. So it's going to make the most gorgeous bath art. Very excited to try that one. Then we have got the Kuropi bath bomb. He is very cute. Look at him. So sweet looking. He's adorable. Whoa. Oh my goodness, what scent is that? That is absolutely sensational. Oh, good gracious, what scent is this? So this one says, oh, I know. Oh, wow. This says, this is funny. Enjoy a nice long croak with this riveting, popping candy, zesty lime oil, and plenty of soothing coconut milk. We've hit it out of the pond. I do believe, let me double check, that this is key lime pie lip balm scented? Yes, it is. Key lime pie scented. That is an absolutely, I wish I had one to smell to hand. I've not long used one up, but that smells insanely good. It's like a creamy, it's like key lime pie, like it's limey. There is the zestiness in there, but it's got this like really lovely creamy vanilla-iness to it as well. It does smell edible. Oh, that is really good, really nice. Let's put you over here as well, shall we? Let's hope you don't fall off. You look like you might. Let's lean you up. There we go. So then we've got Hangiadon. I think I've pronounced that right. This little guy. Lovely little blue fella. Trying to show you with and without the light because I don't know what the best visual is of him, but he's very sweet. Oh, this is the same scent as Unicorn Poop Bath Bomb, I do believe. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. So this says, a secret romantic has a surprise up his sleeve, or could that be his scales? Soak in oceanic seaweed and sea salt for some fantastically soft skin. Oh, that's absolutely sensational. I haven't used Unicorn Poop in years. I do remember I did enjoy it, I think. I was a little disappointed by the bath art, but I did enjoy the scent. I can't describe this, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like a mix of a masculine and a girly scent, like intertwined together. So it's described as a sweet, fruity, floral fragrance. So you've got in there bergamot, davana, jasmine. It is a really, really gorgeous scent. So, so nice. We have him. He's going to be gorgeous as well. Am I going to be able to fit you in the frame? Maybe we can fit you there. Or just sort of. What else have we got? Next up, we've got Bad Bats Maru. And this is the soap. I'm so very excited for this. This is Space Girl scented. Oh, he's absolutely stunning. Oh, he's gorgeous. Enter gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh. absolutely stunning. Oh, that is so strong and oh. Space Girl smells like really good in a soap, like really, really good. Fuck, that's good. Excuse my language. It's a mix of bergamot and grapefruit. It also has charcoal in there as well, which adds as like a slight little exfoliant, I think. I don't think it's anything major, but it's a nice little extra touch in there as well. Space Girl is just the most insanely fruity scent you'll ever smell. It's absolutely otherworldly, hence the name probably. Like, it's so good. If you really are into your fruity, juicy, drinkable scents, you're really gonna like this. If you like grape soda, if you like comforter, if you like Vimtno, Basma, you'll be into Space Girl. That's, oh, this is really, really good so far. Really good. I can't fit you in, my mate. I'm just gonna put you there. Right then, last two fun little, oh my god, he's so squishy. Fun little fellas. We've got the two jellified products. Let's have a little look at these. What should we start off with? Let's start off with this one. So we've got the Gudetama jelly. Oh. So it's in little wrapping, this one is, which is lovely. So you've got your little cellulose wrapping on there. And then it's got little info on the back. I like this. Is this new? Is this what they're doing with everything? Because if so, that's great. It might just be for this collab, I do not know. But it says how to use. It says no need to crack open this egg. Hop or slowly drag yourself into the shower, lather the gummy between your hands and wash all over and rinse. So the egg portion, the white, is a shower gummy, which is, it's like a harder, more solid version of a shower jelly. And then this little bit is a shower jelly. So excellent, let's open this up and have a go with it. Everyone's asking, aren't they, if you can see his little bum holy. So we'll have to have a look if we can see it. Oh, he has indeed got a butt crack. There we go. Oh. What scent are you? Yummy. So here he is in all his glory. Oh, that's so fun. I love that. And I don't know if you can see, let me get the light on the situation. Can you see? Yeah, you can see his butt crack. This is so great. I love this. Oh, he's adorable. I love that this is a jelly on the top. That is very sensory pleasing. Do let me find out what scent this is, because it's stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. The scent of this is the same as Harajuku Bath Bomb. I don't think I've tried that, but it's a very, it's like bubblegum mixed with candy and fruits. It's really lovely. It's quite bubblegum heavy. Really nice though. That is a great scent. I think that would do well in some other products. This is just actually killing me. Like, I don't know if I can use this. I can just use it as like a fidget toy, because that is just so very, very fun. You're telling me that that is not like highly entertaining. Love it. That's brilliant. I love that so much. This is such a great smelling collab, I will say, like really, really good. Finally, I feel like he is the pièce de résistance. I think everyone's been loving him, so let's give it a go. So we've got the Pom Pom Purin shower jelly. And like, I don't know, but I keep seeing videos of him pop up. People in the, oh my God, he's so squishy. People in the stores are using him, staff are carrying him around, like they love him, he's so cute. And he just looks extra, extra jiggly. Like, he looks more jiggly than a regular jelly. And I don't know why. Like, let's have a look though. Is he extra jiggly? He may well be. Oh. Let's get him out. I love him. I'm in love. I love him. He's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Oh, God. It's yummy custard scented. Oh, I almost lost him. Jesus. I was slinging him over my shoulder. He's got a bit of a bumhole going on as well. Yummy custard. Sometimes I go off it, but most of the time I love it. And I'm in my loving it stage. I've got a little pot on the go at the moment that I've been enjoying. Oh, it's so good. Yummy custard. This always gets me. I have heard that this technically is the same scent as Let the Good Times Roll. People argue that it's not. People argue that it is. Like, I think it smells quite similar. People are saying this is a Let the Good Times Roll / Yummy Custard mix, but from what I've heard, and I think I've even read it on Lush itself somewhere, it's the same scent as Let the Good Times Roll. I mean, don't have a go at me if I'm wrong, but I think it is very, very similar. It is lovely though. It's like the most gorgeous, vanilla-y, yummy custard scent you'll ever smell. Probably one of Lush's most edible scents amongst others. Very, very good. Oh, lovely. They've done well at making all of this very, very strong smelling, which is fab. Oh, I love him. I was watching a video on TikTok of this girl who worked in Lush, just like holding him about the place, walking around. And I didn't get it at first, but now I get it. I can see why. He's like a little pal. You're not getting used. You're safe. You're safe. Oh, I love him. Love him. I'm very much struggling to pick what my favourite is out of that bunch because it's all very, 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 very good. Probably, do I say this about all of them? I don't know. No, some collabs I'm not big on, but this I think is probably the best one they've done in a long time. Very good. I cannot pick my favourite. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that smells more. That does smell more celebrate-y. Now I've smelled other bits. God, that is good. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Have you guys grabbed yourselves anything from this collab so far? If so, what have you got? What are you loving? I love it all. Oh, I can't decide. Those two are absolutely delicious. But then all of the bath bombs are also very delicious. This is very delicious. Oh, that's so good. And this is just comical. Comedy gold. And it smells delicious. Oh, it's like bubblegum. Very good. I love that all. I think that's a fantastic collab. So cute. Scents are all absolutely wonderful. Can't fault it, in my opinion. Obviously, I'll give it all a go. I have been used to this on the shorts recently, guys. I do apologise. I don't think I've done one properly in months. I don't know. I've not had the motivation or the energy. But this, I'm going to actively try my hardest to film some demos of this stuff for you guys. Yeah, do let me know in the comments if you guys have tried anything from this collab. What are you liking? Have you actually tried it in the bath yet? What's it like? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.